Today we're going to show you how to use the Scrapbook feature on Flag. First you're going to go to the Scrapbook link at the top. That will take us to this page and you'll see that it dropped us on April the 29th, which is today's date. But the pictures that we want to add are going to be from a couple days earlier. We're going to come down to the bottom and choose the 26th. After clicking on that, you'll see the date changed up here. Next, we're going to upload our picture. By clicking on this icon, it brings up the dialog box, and we're going to browse onto our computer to find the right image. Having chosen the image that we wanted from our computer, we can come in next and add in a brief description. You can add in, as it says here, up to 140 characters. We're going to press Create Image, and that will add it to this particular day. Now that the image has loaded, you'll find that it's here in the upper left-hand corner. We're going to click on the image and we're going to move it into a different spot on the page. You can move it anywhere inside of this box. Now you'll also see that it has our caption at the bottom, just like we wanted it to. Now we're going to navigate up a level. This is on April the 26th, but let's say we want to see the week view. We can look at the week, the month, or the year. We're going to go up one level to the week, but before we do that, you'll see down below that there is a thumbnail image of this picture that we uploaded. When we go to the week view, you'll see that there's also thumbnails for all the pictures that were taken during that week. So loading along the bottom are the thumbnails, and here are the pictures from other days that we've already uploaded. So we're going to decide that basically what you're doing is you're taking the best pictures from any given day and adding them to your week. The best pictures of the week will make up your scrapbook for the month, and then also for the year. So now we're going to come down, we're going to grab this thumbnail down below, and we're going to drag it up here, and it will automatically load it onto this page for us. Here we added it on, which is what we wanted. We're going to move it around to where we want it. And from here, we can next add in other pictures from our week if we wanted. We can add in this lighthouse image. Let's do that right now. We're going to click it and drag it up here. It will load in next. And again, we'll find a home for that particular picture. Now we might decide, you know what, we decided we didn't want this particular picture to be a part of the week after all. Well, you can see that there are icons here for day, week, month, and year. Now we're going to click off the week view, and that will remove it from this page. It will leave it on the day that we put it on, but it will remove it from the week. Next, we might want to say a little bit about this week and remind ourselves and tell others what the week was like. So we're going to click on this icon here, and that will give us a place to make an entry. And from here we can add text about our trips to Chicago and Lake Michigan. And we'll click Add Entry, and that will add information here about our time. Now next, we're going to go up one more level. Let's say we want some of these to tell the story about the month. We're going to click up to the month view, and you'll see that all of the icons that had been a part of, all the pictures that had been a part of the best of our week are now eligible to be a part of the story of the month of April. So we're going to choose this particular icon down here that we know is our Chicago trip and tell the story of the month. We can put this in and add it wherever we want. Any image that we have chosen as part of our week scrapbooks for the weeks of April will show up in these icons down below. Now, there's a couple different ways to navigate. We can navigate using this bottom bar. If we click on the 27th, it will take us to the pictures of April the 27th. And here's the picture we had for the 27th. We can also navigate by using these tabs and go left and right. Here we're going to go to the 28th of April and see what pictures were added on the 28th. Here's the pictures from the 28th on the trip where we went to South Haven, both the lighthouse as well as a picture of the sunset. We might decide that this is taking up too much screen space. You can just click the tab and that will take it off the page. If you decide that you want it back again, you can simply click it and it will return for you. So that's a brief tutorial on how you add pictures to your flag scrapbook. Feel free to look at your own scrapbook, add more pictures there, as well as navigate the scrapbooks of other of your colleagues.